The JET JWP-13BT 13-inch benchtop planer offers woodworkers a blend of power, precision, and convenience for their projects. Its standout feature is the helical-style cutterhead, equipped with 6 rows of 26 individual quick-change high-speed steel inserts. This design ensures a smoother and quieter cut compared to traditional straight blades, reducing tear-out and minimizing noise during operation. Crafted with a precision machined cast iron bed and steel cover, this planer maintains board flatness and effectively diminishes snipe, enhancing the quality of finished surfaces. Its 4-post design provides stability and control over the cutterhead, contributing to consistent results with each pass. Driven by a robust 2 horsepower, 15-amp motor operating at 10,000 RPM, the JET planer demonstrates remarkable power and efficiency. Despite its compact benchtop size, it boasts a substantial 13-inch width capacity and a maximum depth of cut of 1/8 inch, making it suitable for a variety of woodworking tasks. Convenience features include adjustable folding infeed, outfeed tables, facilitating leveling to the bed and conserving shop space when not in use. Additionally, an adjustable depth stop ensures uniformity in repetitive cuts, enhancing workflow efficiency. Users have reported positive experiences with the JET planer, noting its exceptional performance in handling various wood types. Many have praised its ability to effortlessly process long and heavy boards, attributing this to the helical blade design's effectiveness in reducing snipe and tear out. Furthermore, customers appreciate the planer's efficiency in producing smooth surfaces with minimal post-processing required, thanks to the helical blade's superior cutting performance. Additionally, its reduced noise levels compared to traditional planers contribute to a more pleasant working environment. However, some users have expressed concerns about the durability of the blade inserts, noting premature dulling and nicking after processing hardwoods like walnut and maple. Despite this, they acknowledge the ease of blade replacement and the planer's overall performance once fresh edges are utilized. In summary, the JET JWP-13BT 13-inch benchtop planer offers woodworkers a powerful, precise, and user-friendly solution for their planing needs, particularly excelling in reducing snipe, minimizing noise, and delivering smooth, quality finishes. While some durability issues with the blade inserts have been noted, the planer's performance and convenience features make it a valuable addition to any workshop.